to our kitchen. Today we're going to be doing an oatmeal recipe. Oatmeal is a wonderful whole grain, and we're going to be using old-fashioned oats. And everyone always tells me, it's so hard to make oatmeal. But you know what? It really isn't. It's very, very simple, and it only takes about 10 minutes. So I've got my pot here, and we're going to go ahead and start adding our ingredients. We're going to add 2/3 cup water, a dash of salt, and we're also going to add a handful of raisins. It's about a 1/4 cup. We're going to go ahead and put our fire on and get it up to boil. Okay, so you can hear that this water is boiling now. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 1/3 cup of oatmeal. Give it a quick stir, cover it, and then turn our fire down to simmer so that it's nice and low. So while this is cooking, I want to talk a little bit about our oatmeal. And these are rolled oats, and they're old-fashioned oats, and those are higher in fiber than our other oats. You notice that I put the raisins in there. You could also substitute dried apricots or dried prunes or any kind of dried fruit if you don't have the raisins or if you don't like the raisins. The cinnamon also gives it a really nice flavor, and then you can also use honey in substituting for the brown sugar. What's really nice about cooking it yourself is that you have control of the amount of sodium or salt in it and the amount of sugar. And most of your cold cereals have a lot of sugar. So this is a great breakfast item. Oatmeal is part of a healthy breakfast because according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, half of our grains need to be whole grains. And our old-fashioned oats are 100% whole grains. We've cooked our oatmeal for 10 minutes and now it is ready, and I can smell it. Go ahead and open up this pot. I'm going to give it a quick stir. And we are ready to serve our oatmeal. You can see the raisins on there. That's delicious. Also, you could add any kind of nuts that you wanted, chopped nuts like walnuts or pecans, even almonds. That would give it a little extra crunch. And when it comes to nutrition, it's hard to beat a bowl of oatmeal. And it's really a whole lot of goodness in one bowl. So let's build a healthy plate together.